Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enter recovery mode or access advanced boot options for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether you are troubleshooting or exploring, this guide will definitely help to enter recovery mode and access advanced boot options. So, let's get started. First up, let's see how you can enter recovery mode from boot in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is useful if your system is not starting up normally. Here's what you need to do. Different laptop manufacturers often have their own specific hotkeys for entering recovery mode, such as for Acer, press Alt plus F10 as soon as you power on the laptop. For HP, press F11 repeatedly right after turning on the laptop until the recovery options menu appears. For Dell, use F8 or Shift F8 during boot process to access recovery options. For Lenovo, try F11 or the Novo button to access recovery options. Press the Novo button with the laptop off for the recovery menu. For Asus, press F9 after turning on the laptop. On some models, Escape or F2 may also be used. And for MSI, press F3 during boot process to enter the recovery environment. Here I am using an Acer laptop. If you have same brand, then you can follow me to enter the recovery environment. At first, press the power button. As soon as you turn on your laptop, you will need to be ready to press and hold the Alt key and tap the F10 key repeatedly as the laptop starts. This should be done right after pressing the power button and before the operating system starts to load. Continue it until you see the please wait screen or until you see recovery environment. Okay, as you can see that our PC has successfully entered the Windows recovery options menu. If it's not working, then power off your computer completely. If it's already on, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to ensure it's fully shut down. Turn the computer back on. As soon as you see Windows logo, press and hold the Shift key. Continue holding it until you see please wait screen and eventually recovery options menu. In recovery options menu, you will see options such as troubleshoot, reset this PC, restore your PC, and advanced options. Now let's look at Windows 11. Accessing recovery mode is quite similar, but there are some specific steps for new versions. First, turn off your PC completely. If it's already on, hold the power button for 10 seconds to shut it down. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the Shift key. This will take you to the Advanced Startup Options menu. In Windows 11, you will find options like Troubleshoot, System Restore, and Command Prompt. If you are having trouble getting to recovery mode through boot, you can also access it from the Settings app. Here you can do it both Windows 10 and Windows 11. In Windows 10, go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I key combination. Then navigate to the Update and Security and select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. In Windows 11, open Settings, go to System and select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Alright, now that you are in the recovery environment, Okay, now let's explore the advanced boot options available in the both Windows 10 and Windows 11. System Restore allows you to restore your PC to a previous point in the time using restore point you have created. System Image Recovery lets you to recover your PC using a system image backup. Startup Repair can help fix issues, preventing Windows from starting. Command Prompt gives you advanced user ability to run command for troubleshooting. UEFI firmware settings provide access to PC's BIOS or UEFI settings. Go back to the previous version lets you revert to an earlier version of Windows if you have recently updated. And that's it. Now you know how to enter recovery mode and handle various laptop brand hotkeys for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advice guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.